Hello, YouTube. About to replace this wire today. You know, see I got them out. Gonna use some 8-gauge wire. And I'll give y'all a little preview, but we might get the Pioneers out. Just for y'all can check them out. But still a lot of work to do. Trying to see how this box been holding up too. You know, it's still very solid. Y'all know it been booming like crazy. You know, I didn't even have one screw up in there, which is amazing, but unless it just came out. Like with these American based, with these DC audios, anything is possible. So we'll be back. We back. Got them out. Let's take a good look at them. See has they been through anything. Yeah, look at the spiders. No matter the way it's looking, I mean, look like everything is okay. Got the YouTube on, man. But it's okay. Nah, you good. Yeah, y'all, there go the spiders right there. Still looking good. Still looking brand new. We'll be right back. All right, we back. Got the Pioneers out of here. Now, it's a regular 4-ohm speaker. You know, it's a little bit different than what my DCs is. Well, it's way different. You know, they got the plastic cover on there. I do want to take this off, but they got the plastic cover over there over the magnet. It's a very, very light speaker. You know, but this is a budget speaker, y'all. Like, you better get 2 of these speakers probably for $150. You know, it's a different speaker than a DC audio. You know, got a little tape right there, or what is that? Maybe some glue. You know, we're gonna put these in my boy's car. It's gonna go into his 2013 Dodge Charger. Y'all probably seen it in videos, but y'all probably don't remember. This is the box they came in. And get down there. See, it's been a lot of a lot of glue. It is MDF. It's got a couple of worn holes in it. And y'all seeing the difference between MDF and then, white oak. White oak and MDF is 2 different things. You know, you knock on the MDF, you hear a lower knock. But man, let me go ahead and get these wires in. Get these Pioneers back into the box. They've been chilling here for a long, long time. My boy is just not into the sounds like that. You know, it's okay. You know, everybody is into their own thing. That's a thing you always got to remember, you know. But let me go ahead and get these things wired up real quick. And just want to show y'all how I got the battery chargers going. So I got both batteries charging at the same time. I mean, nobody told me to do this, but I figured this would probably be the best way to do it. You know, connect both of them together. You know what I'm saying, with power wires, and then, you know, keep it on and stuff. Let's see if we can turn this thing on and see if we can get a good test on it. It'd be kind of hard to do it with one hand, but we can do it with one hand. Let's see if we can do it with one hand. There we go. All right. All right. 14.2 on one battery. All right. So he's able to test that, but it's not bad. Okay. Both of them reading about 14.2. So let them both keep charging up. I want them to charge up to this, I'm trying to see, oh, okay. I want them to charge up until that thing turn green. Right now, the truck is empty. And y'all probably gonna see the thumbnail like that. No. But let's go ahead and get finished. And shouts out to my boy, France, man. Always let me use his garage. You know, just imagine if y'all had a guy like me down the street that always wanted to use your garage. Like, God damn it, you. But yeah. Finally I did want to examine this box too a little bit. You know, my box ain't that much bigger. I mean, now if the ground shaker box was here, it'd be way bigger than both of them. Man, it look like it's got Rockford Fosgate on it. Yeah, yes it does. That's the Rockford Fosgate sign on it. I like it solid like that, but I'll be right back with the wiring done. All right, y'all, we back. Now, see, I got the 8 gauge going all the way around on the connections. So just for you who don't know how to do one on connect, you know, I just wanted to show y'all. So make sure you have power going to power, which is going to be on the opposite side on each side. And then negative going to negative. And just use one wire, as you can see. And then you're going to connect another wire, you know, for the connection to the terminals. You're going to run both of these wires. Let's see if I can get a connection of both of them. You're going to run both of these wires together, you know. Then run both of these wires, get you one little wire to make it long enough to go to your amp. And then take both of these together. And that's going to be your one on load. So, hope you guys like the video. And if you do, smash the like button. We got both of the batteries 100% charged. So we're ready to go. Go ahead and put this one back together. Yeah. It's a long way to go, y'all. I got a lot of work to do. I'm actually planning on doing a amp rack. You know, an amp rack that's going to be a little bit different. If I can place the batteries, you know, in the back, you know. And let me go ahead and get this all finished up, y'all. But I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. You know, I'm not gonna put the music back in the car yet, cause I'm gonna use some roof tape recommended by my boy Ron, and go pick up some of it from Lowe's. All I'm about to do is just put the speakers back together and put some silicone over the hole. That way we're gonna have that full 8-gauge run. But you guys see, they all ready to go in. You know, shout out to all y'all. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.